Guys, have you tried running YouTube in your terminal? If not, let's do it today. Today, I'm exactly going to show you how to run YouTube in your terminal. It's going to be really fun, and let's dive in. So, hello guys. Now we are in my laptop. As you can see, my terminal is open. So let me just run the command yt hello. This is just a demonstration. As you can see, it's searching, and yes, some results will come. You can uh, navigate using the arrow keys. I just hit enter, and so we can run YouTube in our terminal. By the way, the code for this will be provided in the description box, so you don't have to worry about pausing the video and typing it out. So let me just show you how it works, like how you need to do it. I'll just do nano. I'm using Zeesh. You can do bash rc. For Windows users, you don't have to worry about all of this. You can just open your git bash and run the command. So yeah, here you can see I have used a small function here, yt. It's querying, and I used a ytdlp and stuff. So you can see this is how it works. So when I do yt, it goes for that. For Windows users, you can just open a git bash and run nano bash rc, and yeah, for you I think it will come blank, but you can just put the code that I have given in the description, and in case the first one doesn't work, you can just go for the second one and try it out. So that's it. It's as simple as that. I also provide you also need to install like one or two libraries, and I provided in the description how to exactly install that. That's it. You can run YouTube in your terminal and flex in front of your friends. Good luck.